This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos.
These are the few things I'm going to use for this hair tutorial, and I'm also going to list them on the description box, so make sure you go check it out. So let's call this hair canvas Ella. Okay, hello Ella. We're welcoming everybody down to our channel. So I will be using this hair like I showed you earlier, and this 27 piece has 3 stacks. It has the 1, 2 and 3. So the 3 the one I picked up now is the shortest of them all. Okay, so I am using my hair bond I got from my local beauty supply, and I love this one because it's way easier for me, and it's also I had glue gun before, but I didn't like it. The glue from the glue gun was not working perfectly for me, so I decided to use this one. And this is what we do use in Nigeria whenever we do skull cap. We call it skull cap in Nigeria, but they call it a Pixie cut wig here in the US. So like you can see, I first of all measured the length or the size. I just measured the hair where I want it to stop at the bottom. Then I cut it off with the scissors and I applied the glue on it, and then I pasted it on the head.
Hair that way pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Cause baby I love it's natural. This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure
So you're gonna continue cutting, measuring, cutting and pasting. It's just like a repetitive process until you get to the where you want it to stop, or the crown of the head. So but what I'm gonna my only mistake was that I used a lot of it, and guys, you have to, maybe it's so tempting to use a whole lot of this hair, but I would just advise you to don't use so much, and don't stack it as I'm stacking it like that, because it's going to give you a whole lot of time trouble when trimming. So just measure your hair and then stack it gradually, and don't, please, just like I said, don't do this, okay? But at the end of the day, we had to come up with something, and I well, let's just leave it that way. So just continue watching and enjoy the process. Thank you. So I and Ella has gotten to where we need to start forming the bangs. I started cutting and shaping, and to the front side that was remaining, I was just adding. So the mistake I made was that I was supposed to use the blue to go around first before forming that bangs. But anywho, we already made it and we got it. So now we're trying to I started adding the longer piece of the hair. I just wanted to form a circle, and so that I could have like a little hole in the middle. I could place a hair there. So this is how I was just using it. I was just doing it, just apply the glue, and I would just turn it, take it round and round until I got to the circle, or to the smaller piece I wanted. Now we've gotten to the center, to the middle. I'm going to use the blue that came with this closure that came with the blue 27 piece hair. I'm going to just use it to paste on Ella, so that it will just close up that place, because why not, anywho. So I just combed it out, and it was now time for trimming. And for the trimming, I had to use my razor comb to do the trimming. And like I said, please don't stack your hair the way I did, because it's just going to make you to trim so much. And let me just say, it took me almost like 3 days, 4 days to get to I was not even satisfied with the trimming. But anyways, we just had to take it the way it is. But I just had to trim it. I didn't have like the clippers and all that stuff to clip with, to trim real good. So I used my scissors and also my razor comb to do all those stuff, and it came out pretty well. Once you're done with the trimming, I would advise you to put what's it called again, mousse on it, and leave it overnight. That way, to help it to sleek real good. And then the next day you can flat iron it and make everything to give you some bumps at the back and all that stuff. So this is how this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And the next thing you're going to see me, the next page you're going to see me wearing and rocking this hair, this beautiful hair. And please tell me your thoughts. What do you think about the hair? If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Okay, and I really do appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.
Hair that way pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You